बेटी माँ पर गई है। लेकिन ये कैसा हो गया भाई? मतलब
Supercross over there as well. I'm going to ask you. Yes.
सुपर क्रॉस तो वो है भाई, वो क्रॉस देखो।
Right. Right. Moving on, Veer, I'll come to you. You know, you wear a lot of hats. What is more difficult, racing Supercross?
मम्मी ने
or-
डैडी को बताया, हाँ तुमने बहुत मेहनत लगी।
Coming back to you, right? You wear a lot of hats. Which one is tougher? Which is more difficult? Is it racing Supercross or running the league?
I think
Handling me.
Handling you.
that is definitely there. I think racing Supercross is tougher on the body, and running ISRL is tougher on my sleep, time, and peace of mind. So definitely, running ISRL is difficult.
Is more difficult, right? Salman bhai, I'm going to come to you.
I've got a question.
Yeah, sure.
भाई साहब आप मुझे बताओ कि बच्ची हो गई है आपकी, हाँ, लेकिन अभी भी एक्साइटमेंट के शादी हो गई, बच गया, ये चल रहा है कि नहीं माइंड में? हाँ चल रहा है ना?
Old friends uniting, ladies and gentlemen, over here. But sir, I'm going to come back to you.
Indian Supercross Racing League, outside my league, my wife.
Outside your league is over there. The league is over here.
There is a God. He proves it.
There is a Lord. I'm going to come back to you, sir. On the league that is within us, not the league that is outside.
I'm lost now.
You're not. Oh man. All right.
कमाल है यार, तेरी भी हो गई।
The star of the show, ladies and gentlemen, is over there today. Yeah. Out of Salman Khan's league is saying something about the lady. But the question is, I would like to also want to know from you, is now here.
ये तो जिंदगी की रेस में बहुत आगे निकल गया। हम लोग इंडियन सुपरक्रॉस रेसिंग लीग की बात कर रहे हैं।
Oh man.
By the way, one of the first races. Yeah.
October.
October.
Right. So, you know, ISRL के format के बारे में, what excites you the most, Salman bhai? Is it the racing, the business, or the energy?
What?
What excites you the most about the ISRL format?
What is ISRL for?
ISRL. Indian Supercross Racing League. Yeah.
Supercross.
We'll come back.
He excites me the most about this format.
We got to get him into the league. I think
He's
that is
above our league.
already part of
No, so what excites me the most is that these guys have done a fantastic job. It is going to be on an international level. With pura safety, the bikes are going to be the best super bikes that you could ever see. And even international riders are going to be here. So this is going to be a ऊपर का level का.
that. Okay. And, you know, of course, the fans love seeing you on screen. Any chance in the near future you plan to make a movie on motorsport?
ऐसी कोई स्क्रिप्ट मिलनी चाहिए. But I would want to ride on their tracks.
You would want to.
I would like to do at least some couple of laps on that.
100%, sir. 100%. Yes, that is something that we are looking forward to, all of us, ain't we?